Hello YouTubers, today I'm out here in the garden and I'm unboxing the Quest Metal Detector X10. Let's see how it is. Here's the box. I will now open it. This metal detector is sponsored by CU.dk. The user quick start manual guide. And there is the charger cable. And some stickers. Treasure Sports Quest Metal Detector. Here's the armrest. Let's see, there is some assembling. And the stems. It's not the same as on the Quest 40. This one is in metal. And it's round. Looks like an ordinary stem. The old one. And business cards. And the controller. It looks like a lot like the Quest 40. I pre-charged it, so there should be power on. There is some power on. That's round. Okay, I need a screwdriver to assemble it. The first glimpse, it looks really fine. Okay. And the coil is 6 by 911, I think it is, inches. Or is it only 6'9"? I have to look at it. With a cover on. That's a small one. And there's also a quick start guide here. It's the Turbo D blade coil, so it should be okay. And I can use same coils from my Quest 40. That's very good. Some brochures. This was the first glimpse of the new detector. So now I will try to assemble it, and I will be back later. Bye bye. Now the X10 is assembled, and it looks fine. It's very lightweighted, and I will try to just go a little round here in the garden to see if we can find something. I don't think so, because I've been here a lot and there is nothing. Okay, works. I'm in ring mode now. This is all metal mode, coin mode, and the last mode I don't know if what it is. We'll find out. But the ring mode is the same as on the Quest 40, and the sensitivity, ground balance, pinpointer, and so on. It's nearly the same. Out on the beach with the Quest X10. Let's see what we can find. Yes, good signal. It's out of the hole. Some aluminium. Good signal. Let's try to with the pinpointer. It's set on vibrate right now, so you can only see the red dot on it. Full tap. That's it. It's a good signal here. 84, 85. Try to dig it. It's out. Hey, so fine. $50 Danish. Great. Great. big target, I think. Some iron maybe. No? Cannot see what it is. Try the pinpoint. Big clump aluminium. The next target is, what is that? Screwdriver, I think. Was a good target. 76. Four inches down. Let's try to dig that. Still down on the hole. Yes, I can feel it. Down the hole. Yeah. Some more junk. Soda can. This was the first tryout test on the beach with the Quest X10, and here's the result. A lot of junk, coin, screwdriver, can, ball caps, pull tabs. Just shows that the little Quest, it works. And now back in the car. It's very hot today, and I can only say one thing: the Quest X10 is okay little machine. The only thing that disappoints me was the shaft, the stem. It's a little wobbly, and it's really cheap, I think, and it's not great. And the other thing that was disappointment was there was no head plugs or headphones with it. I could use some headphones, some small headphones. You can deliver it with head plugs instead of headphones. Just there was nothing, and it was disappointing. And or else it worked just fine, and it's a great little detector, and the price is right. I think it's good. Yeah, thumbs up. Goodbye for now. I will turn off. It's very hot in here. I need to get some air. And goodbye and happy hunting. See you.